Hey everyone, me again, Tim. This is part 10 of my walk at the Woodland Park and Nature Preserve in Battle Creek, Michigan. You can tell I'm the only one on this path. You could tell it doesn't draw people. You know, got a nice place for people to come to, take walks. But, I noticed during the springtime there were people out here walking, but haven't seen very much people out here anymore. I wish there would be more people to come out here. It's kind of sad that nobody wants to come out here and just take walks. You know, get out, get away from the city. That's what I like doing, is getting away from the city, getting away from where I live. Come out here and just soak this up. I mean, I'll sit here I'll be quiet for a minute and you can hear birds. You can hear those birds singing. And you don't hear people screaming, music playing. Just out here in nature, man. It brings you out into the woodlands. Out where it's peace and quiet. And smell of flowers. There's another bird singing. And plus, you know, they do got signs to let you know about the trees out here in certain areas. That's what I like about coming out here. Just getting good old videos of birds. Flying around. Run into a lot of butterflies out here. And sometimes you'll run into deer. I've seen about 3 out here so far. The ones that are the normal ones that do come out here. I'll see them once in a great blue moon, and other times I won't. I think it's because of the foot that they're afraid of other people. And you know, this park is open all year long, 365 days a year. And anybody that is visiting Battle Creek, Michigan, or is new to Battle Creek and didn't know about this park, hey, come out here. It's a beautiful place. Well, be on the lookout for part 11.